Exploration and colonization quiz. Matching. Terms are in the left-hand column, and you will match them with the definitions in the right-hand column. Number 1, indentured servant. Number 2, slave trade. Number 3, free enterprise system. Number 4, triangular trade. Number 5, representative. And you will match those words with the following definitions. A person chosen to act on behalf of others. B, the capture, enslavement, buying, and selling of people for profit. C, a person who agrees to work for a set period of time without pay in exchange for necessities such as transportation, food, clothing, and shelter. D, an economic system in which people are free to start their own businesses or to do whatever they want. E, trade routes between Africa, the Americas, and Europe, in which ships carried cash, crops, manufactured goods, and enslaved people. 5 multiple choice questions. Number 6, a rebellion. Is it A, uprising, B, cash crop, C, profit? Number 7, a ruler. A, cash crop, B, monarch, C, uprising. Number 8, a crop that is grown to sell rather than to be used by the grower. A, slavery, B, profit, C, cash crop. Number 9, the money a business earns after all its expenses are paid. A, profit, B, uprising, C, slave trade. Number 10, the practice of owning and controlling people against their will. A, profit, B, slavery, C, cash crop.